Okay. So we have prepared already 3 test cases: home page, login page, my account page. We already completed. Okay. So now we need to create a registration page, right? Registration page we have to do. Let me take, okay, so I'll explain you. So quickly we'll finish and we'll go to API testing. That's very important. These are all similar, okay? So you don't need to worry about that. Registration page. First, let me explain the application. So what we are doing, okay? So you have, this is the application, right? So
yes, sir.
You need to fill this data. You can give data, this data through Excel sheet. That's one option. Through Excel sheet, you can set all this data and you can register it. Okay. And by giving all these different sets of data, you can so take it up. And so how to do a data-driven testing? You want to give multiple accounts. How can you create? So if you want to create multiple data sets, what we need to do is each field data you store in the Excel sheet, right? From Excel sheet, you need to read to your data provider and assign to your test method. And that is the one we are going to do now. Okay. So first a simple one I'll show you. Then you will do data-driven testing. Both we are covering here. Data-driven testing with the data provider and Excel sheet.
Okay, sir. Perfect. Perfect.
So you are reading from Excel sheet to data provider to your test method, your supply.
Okay.
So data provider purpose is supplying the data to data test case.
We are going to use POE, right? POE.
Yeah, Apache POE library.
I think it is the pretty common one, huh? This POE, right, Ramesh?
Right. So you're using that one only, and we are reading that. Already I explained that Excel reader, Excel utils we have, right? So that class we have a method, get test data method, that is going to help us. Okay.
Yes.
And so how to do that? So let's go and already we have set of registration test cases. Let me copy that. Okay, so we are using one more faker to generate the data, fake test data. For that, we are using a faker form.xml inside. I'll ping you this. You also include in your form.xml, this one. Okay. This one, Java faker. Why you will use this Java faker is to generate the fake data. Okay. To generate the fake data, you can use this faker. So you include this in your form.xml. Okay. So you go and include in the form.xml in the dependencies only. So last dependencies, you include it. Just dependencies tag end before, just include that.
Yes.
Okay.
I include it.
Yeah. So this is the one which is going to show this faker class. So first in the before test, so I declared a few variables. What are the variables? First name, last name, email, telephone, fax, company name, address 1, address 2, city, postcode, state, country. These are all you can see here. These are all the things. Each data I'm setting up. Okay.
Yes.
This data I'm setting. How to set? You first create object for faker class. I'm setting in the before test. Okay. So test data setup. one method I created, and I took a before test annotation. So log.info, creating an object for faker class. Faker fk object equal to new faker. And you can set the local A, whichever the local A you want, US or the different countries you have, you can set it up. Then see this f name value I'm setting. How to set? Faker object dot address method dot first name method. So which will give you the first name value and it will store here. Same way last name. Faker object dot address dot last name. So email. So faker object dot internet dot email address. Telephone. Faker object dot phone number dot so cell phone. So fax. Faker object dot phone number dot phone number. Company name. Faker object dot company dot name. It will give you the company name. So address one. Faker object dot address dot building number. So address two, faker object dot address dot, you can put a latitude, longitude if you want. Okay, so otherwise a different data if you want, you can put it here. City, faker object dot address dot city. So even you can get a street name and everything here. Okay, so you can add whatever you want in the address to. Okay, it's all your how you want. Then postcode. Faker object dot address dot zip code. Country, I just fixed this United States. State, faker object dot address dot state method. So this is the faker data I generated. Okay. Then in the before class, what are the pages we need? If you want to go to registration page, let's understand the functionality first. So you go to home page. So this is our home page. Now, how we need to navigate? Click on this, click on register, right? That means you need a home page object, you need a registration page object. Then once you log in, it will go to so my account page. Then you log out. Then it will log out page also we need. So these are the different pages we need. Okay, those pages so you can right include us. So those pages I included: home page, registration page, objects we are creating in the before class, my account page. So this is my account page object, logout page. We need only these page objects that I created. Then before method, so every method I want to go to registration page and wait for the registration page and asset that registration page title. Okay. So I set that registration page title. So then we have first test case, register an account with a faker data. So I'm registering an account with a faker data. So that means whatever the data we got it here, that I'm going to use here. So try catch block we are using. See that. Rig dot set personal details. So we have a method already in our registration page, set personal details. What are the details, personal details? First name, last name, email, telephone, fax. So these values we already generated here. Yeah, that I'm using here. Okay. Then after personal details, what is the next section? Address details. So that I'm going to enter here. So set address details. So you need a company name, address one, address two, city, postcode, country, state. So all this we need. So that also we generated in the top. See, company name, address one, address two, city, postcode, country, state. Right?
Yes.
So that I have used it here. Then after that, what is that? Setting the password. So password setting, we have created a random alphanumeric in the WebDriver factory class here. So WebDriver factory class. So can you see?
Mhm.
Random alpha remember. This is the static method. So I'm calling class name dot static method. So that's the one thing we did here. That's what I'm setting the password. So that I'm using for set password details method. Two arguments. One is a password. Second one is a confirm password. Same we need to set, right? Otherwise you will get a password mismatch error. Then next section is, so this is done. Password is done. Then we have this newsletter. Okay, subscribe option you have to choose. Selecting the subscribe option, yes. So select subscribe, yes. So then we need to, after this, we have to do this step. So check the privacy policy checkbox. So check agree checkbox. So just calling the functions, that's it. And then click on continue button. So then that also we're doing. So once you click, it will go to my account page. My account page, I'm just verifying that. So my account, so your account created header, your account created success message, and so click continue. So button, it will go to my account page. That my account page, I'm waiting for that. So that's the, so complete. If anything fails here, I'm just reporting account creation failed. The catch block, it will catch that. So that's the one simple test case. So single data, right? But if you want to give multiple sets of data for the same, how you can do? So as I mentioned, data provider. We are doing a data provider and public object to dimensional array, Excel data. So object to dimensional array data equal to new Excel utils get test data. So I need to put a test data. So maybe I'll just include a test data that, so we already created here. Just let me copy this. Okay, so this is the test data. So I'll show you. If you want to see, just right click, properties, go here. So go here and you can see that. Yeah, this is the test data. You can see that. Yeah, this is the test data. Maybe, so these are all the different, so first name, last name, telephone, password, subscribe, I'm giving from this Excel sheet. Okay, you have to prepare like this. So these headings are your application field name. Your application field names, those are, okay? The column headings. Any doubts here?
No, it's okay.
Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's okay. First name, last name, phone.
You are good, right, with this?
Yeah.
Some data I'm just storing here, and remaining data I'm getting from Faker data I'm using. So that you can, so we already said that. So then I'm reading, see, constants dot, in this constants class. So in the constants class, I set this test data file. See, test data file path. Test data file path means your working directory. This one, this is your working directory. This project name. Then it is under SRC test resource. You can see SRC test resources. Under that data below, you have your Excel sheet. Okay, I just kept it. It doesn't change, right? That's why we are keeping in one place, which is not going to change. You just keep it one place. That's what I'm using here. So here, see the class name dot final variable, and then the sheet name. So we have a sheet name also, right? This is the sheet. register. This also I kept in the constants class. So constants class, we kept that also. See, register sheet name. So this is the one. So like this, you can NC, so login data you can store or product data you want to, you can store different, but I am just giving a sample, okay, one sample. So this is how we will store the data, and this data we need to read. So how to read, and the reading is done by our test case. So our test case will do that reading and everything. So you don't need to worry about that. Let me close all this instead of, okay. Now, test 2, register an account with Excel data. So same code is not going to change for you, okay? Only data, see, return this data. So all the Excel data will come and store in this two-dimensional array object. This data you are supplying to a test method. Make sure whatever the Excel sheet data is there, right, that parameters are here. See that. Public void register account with Excel data. F name, it is coming from Excel sheet. Last name coming from Excel sheet. Telephone coming from Excel sheet. Password coming from Excel sheet. Subscribe coming from Excel sheet. So whichever the data is coming from Excel sheet, you have to declare a parameters in the test method. So that I am going to consume here. So one first string email value, WebDriver factory random string. So I'm generating my own random string. So method here. Okay, so one random string method you can generate and you can reuse that. So here we can generate one random string method. There only it is there. Okay, that we are using here, random string method. So we have a random string method in the WebDriver factory class. That I'm calling that method. And I'm giving my own at the Gmail, I'm appending that email val. So log.info, entering personal details. So registration page, set personal details. So first name, last name, see, whatever the parameters you declared, that parameters you are using for personal details. First name, last name, email, telephone. Facts I haven't stored in the Excel sheet, so I'm reading from Faker data. Then same set address details, and these are all from Faker data. So Faker data values I'm using. Then setting the password. See, so you can use this password is coming from this Excel data that I'm using here. Then select subscribe. Subscribe also we are giving from Excel sheet. So that also we are doing that. Then check the agree checkbox. Click on continue. These are all same. You don't need any data related here, right? That's the one. So test case we are doing it with a data provider annotation. Excel data we are reading and storing in the data provider. How you can supply data provider and this test method, this test method, there is a keyword data provider. This is the linking between test method and data provider. So otherwise, this is also a test method, but which test case you are supplying, that I'm giving here very clearly mapping. So I'm giving Excel data. And so the method name we are giving, this method name, this data provider method name, this name. That I'm supplying to that one. And priority equal to 2. Priority equal to 2. So that's the, so how you can set the data. And go and run this. So let's go and run this test case. So if you want to run, what you need to do, you have to right click. First, you have to include in our testng.xml file. Here you need to include, right? Here you need to include. So we'll run only this one because it's a bigger one, right? We'll run only this one. So if you want to comment other test cases, what you need to do, just take this comment line, put it before, take this end comment line, put it here. So then these three classes won't run, only will run this one. Okay. So then right click, run as test ng suite. See all the data it is reading, and from faker class, all this data you are getting. State it has to select. So your account has been created. So congratulations, continue. And my account page you are going. So log out, we are doing a logout after that. Logout is done. That's it. So again, going for the next set update. Now we are reading from Excel sheet. Now we are reading from Excel sheet. This is all coming from Excel sheets. Yeah. Like this, you can do a multiple accounts creation easy way. So you don't need to, if you want to do it, will take a lot of time. So that saves your time. So you just put the data in the Excel sheet, automatically it will be created how many accounts you want. It is all coming from Excel sheet. Yeah, I think you have to fix this every time you're only selecting. Maybe you can give your different state. So in the Excel sheet, and you can pass that state it is selecting or not. That also you can do that. So one more column you put state. So give each row one state, so that you can test with the different states. Okay, so that's this one, and let's move on to the next test case. So we need to understand the result space, H result space, and also product detail space. Product detail space, already we have seen how we are searching the data and selecting in the results particular product, and then getting the metadata information, and also images count we are doing, price data we are storing in the map. We have seen that, all that. Now we need to put it in the test case. So we'll see that how to add it to a test case. Okay, so
can I see your Excel file one more time?
Excel file.
Yeah, Excel sheet.
Yeah.
I think it's open already. Right on your Excel sheet.
No, so it is. This is not. I closed it. Okay.
Oh.
Let me go. Yeah.
For address, it is like general. We don't have address there, so address line.
Right.
In our Excel.
Right.
So
right.
it is.
So we are generating that from Faker.
Oh, okay, Faker. Okay.
Yeah. From Faker, yes. So only these fields are agree, but you can increase how many fields you want here.
Okay.
It's all. It's up to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so let's just see all 5 test cases are passed. And you know, right, how to see the reports. You can go to reports and you can find out today's report. Okay, so you have to refresh, okay, refresh your project. Then you will get the report. See today's date. So take this and you can open the report. So this is the report you can see. And also you can find out the summary also. So how many test cases are there for this? Okay. So start date, end date, total number of test cases, till now how many you ran. So that will list out all the things. So the registration, so we can find out here. Okay, so that's all this one. So let's move on to the next one. The next test case is product details page. That's a pending one. So let's finish that also. Product details page, so that we can close it quickly and then move on to the Jenkins GitHub. I'll show you that, okay, how to work with Jenkins. So how to work with the Git, that we need to see that. Where is the error? Okay, so what we did, home page. It's not there. Okay, so the method name we have given small change here. Go to T capital. It will change all other places, so I don't want. I'll change only there. In this way, in this space. That's it. So again, it will change other classes also, but so we will be good. Where I copy details test case. Yes. It's not showing. Oh, it went to utils page. Okay. Just checking where it is. Okay, so this is the one. Let me show you. So the understand this functionality. Product details page test is nothing but so when you log in, you'll do a search, right? You will perform a search. So just go and log in first. Log into the application. Then you can perform a search. See, this is the one, and you're going to perform a search here. See, when you do a search with a MacBook, okay? So now you see the results. How many results you got? 1, 2, 3, right? So from this, one of them you choose it. One of them you choose it. So this is the one. You'll get a detail space. And you see how many images you're getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to count this same number of images are coming up. And also this heading and this metadata and this price. So these are all we are going to store in the map. This price also I'm giving a actual price because from application, this data, you have to get it and you need to store in the map. So this is also a metadata. So this data we are getting and storing in the map, because this is a key value. So like this, we are doing a different section. Now how we did now? See, this is the details page is different. Search results page is different. This is the results page. And from again, different pages you are navigating. So you are navigating to different pages, obviously. Coming from home, then login page, then my account page. My account page, you are performing a search. And then you are getting the results. And from results, you are choosing one of them. And whichever you choose, and this number of images we have to validate. So this is a one test case, then getting this metadata, another test case we are doing. So This all, how can you perform different product search? That also I'll show you again data provider to you. So multiple means you have to multiple sets of data you are giving for this search and how you will perform. So we have a different, okay. iMac also one more is there. See, this is the iMac. And then we have a Samsung also one more. Different products, you see, this one. You choose one of them. So only one image is there. So like next you have a Apple. So you have a Apples. So this one more. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 images are there. So this all data you need to provide. So input, then search results, the product product you are selecting. This is the product I am selecting. Then number of images. So this entire data you are going to give in the data provider. How to provide that? So then get this data and store in the map, and you can validate it. So how to do that? All these test cases. So last test case. So before class, so what are the pages you need? Home page I need, login page, my account page, logout page, results page, product details page. These are all the different page objects I need. I'm creating them. And then there is a home page. I'm going to the login page. Then you perform the login. So this, are you getting this? From where you are getting this data? From config.file. So you have a config file here, right? Under, see here. From here, I'm reading this username and password. Okay, how you are reading? Resource bundle concept here is resource bundle object dot get string, and you give the key, and you will get the value of this key. Then resource bundle object get string password. But where we declare this resource bundle? In this test base. See, I'm reusing that. That's the advantage of inheritance. So you're inheriting and using the properties. Again, you don't need to declare again and again. All these page objects also we declared here and we are using here. And then, so you can now, first you want to go to, after login, it will go to my account page, waiting for that. First test case, verify the product image test. So just now I have shown you, right? This product image test is the first test case I'm doing. And for that, so I'm giving a data provider. So what I need to verify? A product image test data, return new object. This is another way just to
defining
create a data provider. Till now we have seen previous thing, a different way, right? Reading Excel data and storing that. Or otherwise you can create a two-dimensional object array and you can store the data. So there are different ways. And this is directly. Each curly bracket is one row. And this is the first column, second column, third column. That means 3 parameters are there in your test method. See that? This is the first column, second column, third column. So that's what this. So these values will come here. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now I'm giving multiple rows. One, this is the MacBook Pro, this is the MacBook Air, and the image count. This is the search keyword, the product I'm selecting in the result space, and the detail space, the count, image count. The search keyword, the product I'm selecting, and the image count. The search keyword, the product I'm selecting, image count. So this will repeat for all the test cases. See that? Now, at the test, my description, priority 1, data provider equal to, say, product image test. This data, you can have a number of data providers in the test case, in your class. but which data provider for which test method. So that you are specifying here very clearly, mapping with this keyword. So now first, so I'm in the account page. First, what I need to do, we need to perform the product search in my account page. That's the first step, right? You are already in the my account page. Next, immediately you have to perform the search. How can you do? We have a method. Do product search using this search keyword, and this will return a results page. So this is returning a results page. This is going to return a results page. So from results, you need to select one of the product, right? So results page dot select a product and the product name. I'm selecting this product. So I'm selecting that product. Then it will go, this method will return which page? Product details page object. Product details page object, it is going to return. The product details page object, it is going to return. Then, so int actual product image count. So product details page, get product image count. So you're getting the image count. So already we have written this method in this page class. So that will give you the count. Then you are asserting asset dot asset equals actual page count and your expected value. Both you are comparing here. That's one simple test case. Is this clear?
Yes, we are doing hard assert at the end, right?
Oh.
Assertion is hard assert, I guess. Hard assert.
Sorry, can you come again?
We have hard assert, right?
Yeah, this is the hard asset. This is the hard asset. I'm going to show you soft asset here, another test case, okay?
Okay.
This is the hard asset. And here I'm going to show you soft asset. Second test case. So what is the second test case? Product metadata test. You're getting the metadata test. So public void product metadata test. Again, so every test case should be independent. You should not depend on one. That's why I'm making a independent. Again, what I'm doing. So in the my account page, I'll go do product search. So MacBook, and then select the product, which product you want to select, and then map. So actual product info map, product details page dot get product information. So this method is going to have all your metadata information, price information will be stored here. That I'm getting and storing here. Then I'm creating object for a soft asset. This is the testng class. So hard asset is if the failure occurs, the execution stops there only. Soft asset, if failure occurs in this line, it will continue your execution till the end. Then later it will report this failure. That's the soft asset and hard asset difference.
When we decide this, Ramesh, in between soft assert and hard assert, like what should be our insight when we're deciding? Because like we can do hard assert as well, like on the product meta data test as well. You can
do that, but yeah, so I don't want to stop my test case. I have to continue my test case till the end. I want to test it.
Yeah, but it is up to us, correct? Like deciding.
Yeah, it's up to us. Right. Right.
Soft assert.
Right. It's all your decision how you want it. Okay. Both will do the same. One stops at the same line if it fails, but it doesn't stop here. It will continue next line. So till last, your test case execution will complete. But here your test case execution won't complete. For example, this is in this line. The rest of the lines will skip automatically in the hard asset.
Okay.
That's the difference between hard asset and soft asset. See, in this map, we have, as I mentioned, this is the one. See, the key, brand is the key. And what is the value? Value I'm getting So the actual map dot get brand, I'm expecting Apple. So this is the actual value which is coming from application. That is this one, this one, this one. Okay. And I'm giving my expected value. Then this is my actual value, product code. So this value will get it. And I'm giving the product. Okay, so this product is different and this product is different. Okay, I'm just taking one product, that is MacBook Pro. Okay, but we are in a different phase. Okay, different product. So based on the product, it will vary. And reward points. So here reward points. The reward points I'm putting here. Availability. So this is a key and value. So I'm storing here. Then actual price. See, this is the actual price. So that I stored actual price in the map and I'm comparing this. Then asset all. At the end, if you use a soft asset, multiple assertions you did, at the end you have to call asset all. You have to do asset all method. That's mandatory. If you don't do this, and it is difficult for us, to catch that all the assertions.
For actual price, can you go to the website? For actual price, we don't have. Do we have? Can you go?
Okay, so in the application you don't have, but I have taken as a key one key I have written that I stored in the map. Did you remember here? This is one.
Okay.
So that for this key I assigned this price. The reference for this reference price, the key is actual price. So this I am using there. Okay, this one. In the application you don't have. Application you don't have, but I have created, okay, this value, I given a key. This data I got, and I have given a key for that. The key is the actual price.
We have also tax, right? You have a key for tax, I guess. Tax price on your.
This one, yeah, tax price, yeah. So this also we have. You can validate that also. This map, in this map you get that also. If you get that, you will so get this value also. You can validate this value also. You can validate. So that we stored here. You can see here. X tax price. Actual tax price. I am assigning this. This is value, and I'm assigning to this. You have to give this key, actual tax price key, if you want to get it. So that's how you can store in the map, and you are asserting that. So then logout we are doing after completing all the test case. Logout we are doing. So this also see which are the products we are searching: MacBook, iMac, Samsung. So these are the products we are searching, and so you can give that to here. So I didn't pass here, but you can pass it to different, but only one product we are searching. So no need of data provider here. So only here this enough. So if you want to search multiple, and you can pass this products to this test case. Otherwise, one, because you're fixing here a verification. So you have to use this one only. One product is I'm hard coding here. So otherwise, you put a condition. So this verification is only for one product, MacBook Pro. Put a condition. Remaining thing you can do a search, but search we already done. I don't want. That's why this you don't need. So this, if you want, you can keep it. Okay, but I'm not mapping. See that I'm not mapping this data because I hard coded here. So let's go and run this, and then I'll show you how to run from form.xml. Till now we are running from directly testng.xml, right? But I'll show you now how to run from form.xml. Entire suite will run, okay,
Mhm.
from pom.xml. So I'll enable this, all the test cases. Right now you have an entire suite. Suite is nothing but a collection of test cases. Okay, now let's go here. So if you want to run from pom.xml, you have to include this XML path in the pom.xml in the build section. That's very important. So in the build section, you have this, but this is not the path, right? Our path is root directory, right? Direct project path. So you don't need all these things. You can ignore this. testng.xml is not in this location. So the file name also you have to give exactly. So this, it should match this testng, all lowercase. It should match that. That's it. Then right click, run as testng. So sorry, I should not do that. Sorry, I should not do that. So I have to run from pom.xml. So pom.xml means this one. So what is this error? You see that. Why we are getting this error? Okay. So we have to do, if you get such kind of errors, what you need to do is you right click on the project, Maven, update project. Do the update project, force update. So see the errors are gone now. It will go again, you got it back. Okay, no issues. Jen will do that one more time. Right click, run as Maven clean first. First command you have to do that. Maven clean. Then right click, Maven install. You do the Maven install. That's how to run your test cases from. So there are errors. Build failure. Resources. UTF-8. Okay. I'm coding correct only, right? Destroy. Process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. Okay, it is open. That is the reason. Okay, you should not open. Okay, that's the reason. You can read this. Okay, you can read this very clearly. They are telling. Okay, now see the error is gone already. Run this now. Maven clean first, then Maven installed. That's also how to run an entire suite. Your suite is going to start now. So, okay, let it install. Meanwhile, so can you install Git? So Git is another tool, okay? Can you go to, so in Google, okay? Just go to Google. First, you download the Maven first, okay? Maven download, you have to do that. So in your blog, can you open our blog?
Let me go to your blog.
So go to blog. There is a hybrid framework. Hybrid framework. Please go to core Java. There you have a labels. There you have a labels. You can find out. Here you have a hybrid framework, right? This one. This is the one you can use. Okay, let me ping you. If you're struggling, you can use this link. So there you have a Maven first we need to download. There are some installations quickly we'll do. Go to the last and you can find out. So I have shown you how to run through testng.xml. And now I have shown you how to run through pom.xml. So we need to see how to run through command prompt. How to run through command prompt. So to run through command prompt, so what you need to do here is, it's a very nice documentation I have created here. You can see that. See this is the one. Run test through command prompt. So first step is download Maven to your local machine from below URL. Just click on this, open link in new tab, go there, see binary zip archive. Just download this zip file. Okay. If you need help, you can share. I will guide you.
Okay. If I am
That is helpful, right?
Maven.
Yeah.
Maven.
Share your screen.
Okay. Let me share.
We'll do along with you so that I already have those installations.
Screen share disabled by.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah. Now you are good. You try now.
Okay. Is it visible? My.
Yes. Yeah. Can you click on this Maven download? New tab. New tab you open. Not here. Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah, just binary zip archive you select, second row there. Binary zip archive. Yeah. So click on that. It will download, right? So after this, you place this zip file in the C drive. One folder you create. Meanwhile, create a folder. Go to System Explorer. Go to your System Explorer. Keep this a C drive. You just create in C drive one folder Maven. Maven. Just create a one folder.
Okay, so just 1 second. Inside the C drive, Maven folder, right? Correct?
Any folder, yeah, any folder. Just give a name that will be useful for you.
Okay, Maven. Yes, I created Maven folder. And then open this, extract this folder to Maven folder.
Yes. Keep that folder. Cut it, cut that, cut. Control X. Yeah, that is also fine. And go to the C drive where you created the folder just now. Go there and place it inside that. Maven, yeah. So place it inside and right click and unzip it. Right click, unzip it, extract. Yeah, good. So now you go to the location of that. So close this. Otherwise, yeah, open, no problem. You have a folder. Go inside that folder. Inside. Go no, not that one. Go inside one more folder. Yeah, till bin you have to copy that. Now bin not required. Top one. You copy the top one. Yeah, that entire path. Path you copy. Yeah, copy that. Now go to your environment variables. Go to environment variables. You can right click on this PC. You will get it. Not here, sir. Not here. In the system only. In the system only.
Oh, you want? Okay, you want to go to path? You want to create a path for this? Yeah,
environment variable you have to create.
Okay.
So search here, sir. There is a search right bottom left. You have a search right in your system. Your window icon below. You have a bottom left window icon below. There is a Microsoft window icon, right?
Yeah. Okay.
I think there search. Search it. There is a search beside that.
Yeah, environment.
Edit system environment variables. Edit environment variables also fine. Yeah. That one. Select that.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Now in the system environment variables. Oh, you are setting in the your Maven home already there.
I think we did it before, like, right?
Okay. So now you do system environment variables. So click on new, select the system. Oh, you don't have option. Otherwise, you edit that one only. You edit that one only. Yeah. Yeah. Edit and give the path, current path. Whatever the path you copied, give that.
Okay.
Variable value, give that. Yes. Okay. Now go to path variable. There is a path variable there only. Path variable.
Yeah.
Select the path variable. On the top, sir. Top.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Edit. So you set, click on new. Percentile, Maven home. Percentile. Just type a percentile symbol.
Percentile. Okay.
Yeah. Maven home, Maven underscore. Maven home, how you have given? Just see the name. I think you have given a capital Maven home. Can you
I have just
move this? No. In the environment variables, you have given the name, right?
Yeah, all of
Just
them.
move this screen towards the right side.
Yeah.
Now you see that there is a Maven home on the top. Go up, scroll, close this, the right side one, close this right side one. That name, same, it should match Maven home.
MVM home, MVM dev.
Oh, not NVM home. You don't have a Maven home, huh? Okay, cancel this, reset that otherwise. Okay. Again, do that, again, go back.
Okay, I think we can do that here as well on the. Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see. You can copy that path, okay? Copy the path. Maven home you have to set.
Okay. Just, okay. This path, right?
That complete path. So whatever you copied, right? Complete path already. No, not this one. Till bin, sir. Previously you copied, right? Already.
Yeah, I already.
Entire path. The entire path you have already. Just go to the edit environment variables.
Okay.
And you set the Maven home, not NVM home.
Okay.
I think click on the environment variables. No.
Just one second, sir. Environment variables, right? Sorry about that.
Yeah, anything is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Here you have to set Maven home, not NVM home. Okay, that keep it like that. Okay, just now click here, create new. Just give a Maven underscore home, all cap letters. Maven underscore home.
Okay.
All cap letters. Value you paste it. Same name you copy. So the variable name you copy. Variable name. Now you copy the variable name. Maven underscore home is the name, right? Maven underscore home is the name. Variable name you copy. Variable name. Okay, copy the variable name. Maven underscore home. Not this one, sir. Keep that. Don't touch that variable value. You go just one step up. There is a variable name, right? That you copy. Yeah. Okay. Click OK. Okay. Now select the path variable. Edit. Not new. Edit.
Okay.
Now click on new. And give that percentile in between that value. So then you have to give a percentile in between. Give that, paste it. Whatever you copied, paste it. Maven underscore home. Percentile end. Backward slash. No, that is a forward slash.
Oh, sorry.
So just enter key above, it will be there. Yeah. Small BAN, right? Small BAN.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's it. Click OK, all OKs.
Okay.
So this is the one setup you need to do if you want to run from command prompt. Okay, but you don't have a test cases. We cannot run now. So you need to install one more Git. Go to your browser, any browser. Okay, any browser you go. Just click on type. So type google.com.
Okay.
And just type git download for Windows. Git download.
Windows.
The Git download for Windows. Yeah. So click on first one. Yeah, click for downloads. That's the one. Yeah, do that. It's a exe file, quick installations. Yeah, you open that.
Okay.
Install. So just click on next one. You don't need to change anything there. That's it. So now your Git is ready. Okay, now your Git is ready. Now one more we need. Can you open in another in the same tab github.com? github.com. You have a GitHub account?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, just GitHub you log in. Oh, you already have. You're ready. Okay. So you have then this is done. Then Jenkins. Can you go to our blog? Can you go to our blog? The step-by-step is there.
Go to your blog. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay.
No, go to hybrid framework, sir. In the labels, you can see hybrid framework.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Go down. The last there is a Jenkins. Bottom side you have a Jenkins. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, you can see Jenkins install that one. Click on that.
Okay.
So download. Click on download any WAR file. There is a download Jenkins 2.3.LTS or download Jenkins 2.400. Whichever. No. Just there only. So download Jenkins 2.3.LTS is there, right? That there wherever your cursor is there only.
Okay.
Can you see Java .var file?
Yeah, this one, right?
Click on that. Yeah. So you got a WAR file. You place this in the C drive. One Jenkins folder you create.
Okay. Let me create Jenkins, right? Same name.
Same way you create a one folder, Jenkins folder. Just create the folder name Jenkins.
Okay. Okay. How to
that is a WAR file you place that. Whatever the WAR file you place.
Oh, okay. From downloads.
Yeah.
Copy. PC. Okay. So we need to create a path for this one.
Yeah, no, just open this. In the top, there is a C Jenkins, right? Select that. No, select that. No, sir.
Okay.
Don't move back, okay? So just select that. No, yeah, completely select that entire line. How can you select? No. So Jenkins, after you keep right side, you keep your cursor, right side. Yeah, select that. Now click. Okay, now type CMD. CMD you type. No. Selection should be there. Selection should be. Select it again.
This one, bottom, sorry.
Now type there CMD. Just type CMD command prompt.
What
CMD.
command?
Yeah, that's it. CMD. Enter, press enter key.
Okay.
Yes. Now the folder path is opened in the command prompt.
Yes.
So now you type a command. This what we are doing here is we are starting the Jenkins server.
Okay.
And we are installing it.
Okay.
So first you need to start the server if you want to install it. First time, one time only will install. That's why you are doing first time, right? So you are going to start first Jenkins server. Then you can open in the browser. Let's just type Java minus jar, Java space minus jar space. Just a tab, press the tab key from your keyboard, sir.
Okay.
Tab key.
This one. Okay.
You should get a Jenkins.var file. Tab key you press. Tab, there is in the keyboard tab key is there, right?
Yeah, I am passing. Nothing happened. Tab key.
You're not getting? Just move down your cursor, this command prompt, move down a little bit. Whether the file is there or not, we need to see on that location. No, your command prompt to move right side, sir, towards right side. I cannot see Jenkins folder where file is there or not. If not there, you won't get that.
Well, let's do this. The is Jenkins file. You are talking about this one, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
But you should get it when you tab it. Otherwise, you type it. Okay, Java minus jar that Jenkins.var file.
Okay, Java minus jar.
Space minus jar. Then
Jenkins.
space Jenkins.var you type it. So exactly file name should match. Okay.
And then
The press enter key. That's a starting. I see it's not matching the file.
Yeah, running with the Java.
The problem is running with Java 18 is not yet fully supported. Your Java is 18. It's not supported. Maybe 11 is fine. You have to degrade to 11, Java 11. Okay.
So it doesn't JDK 18.
Yeah, doesn't support this Jenkins.
So we need to downgrade Java now?
Yeah, Java 11. You put Java 11. Okay.
Let me see how.
So you can install JDK 11.
This is for Windows 64, I guess.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. So hold on there. Go back. I'll give you the credentials. Okay. Just type rameshn3@gmail.com.
Ramesh.
N for Nancy.
Mhm.
Yeah, three is a digit. Yeah. Dot. Password you give. W capital, welcome, $1, $2, $3, but W capital, first letter.
Okay. Welcome.
$1, $2, $3.
$1, 2, 3. Okay.
You have
Dollar
given first
sign?
letter, capital letter, right?
Yes, $sign, right?
$sign, right.
Okay.
Click on sign in.
Okay.
You have given wrong. Password might be wrong.
Okay, let's see.
Welcome, $1, 2, $3.
Well,
W capital, welcome,
$1, 2, 3.
$1, 2, $3.
Okay.
See, now it is going fine.
Mhm.
Now, once this, you install it now after completing the download. Okay. Other one, you have to maybe setting the Java path. So
Yeah, we have to set the path for this one.
Yeah, so instead of JDK 18, you set this path. Then this path will be recognized by your system. Then you can complete the installation. Can you go to our blog? Everything clearly given how to install Jenkins. Yeah, complete this. It doesn't take much time.
Yeah.
Yeah, done. So now this path you set in the system environment variables. Your Java path, you have to set this path, not the JDK 18 path.
Yeah, it's
Go to environment variables.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here where is your Java path? I think below. So Java path. Search for Java path. Java J. So J, right? You are in the alphabetical order. You are not in the alphabetical order.
Yeah. I never tried to search here for okay. You want me?
Java, you didn't set it, I think.
No, I have Java in my system. Otherwise, I cannot run.
You have, but you didn't set in the environment variables. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
You set it now, not a problem. You set it now. Same way how Maven we set, same way you set it.
Okay.
So new, click on new.
Variable, right? First.
Below system environment. The entire system has to recognize. New.
Okay.
New. No need to select that. Java home, just give capital Java home, Java underscore home.
Yeah, capital.
Yeah.
Java home.
And the path you give, that path. So whatever the path it is installed. Go to C drive, program files, Java JDK.
Let me see.
Program files.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Java. Go to Java. So there is a JDK 11. Yeah. Copy that entire path. No. Last. Yeah, that's it. Go and paste there. Yes. Okay. And same you do. Select the path variable. Edit. And give new. Percentile Java underscore home. Percentile Java underscore home. No. There you have given capital letters. Whatever the name you have given, same name should be given here. All capital letter you have given. Percentile end, backward slash, BAN. Small BAN.
Sorry, I forgot that.
Okay. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Close all these things. So now open again. Open the command prompt again.
Okay. CMD. Okay.
No, close this window. Close this, it won't recognize. Close this window.
This window, command window?
Yes, command prompt. You go and open again from that location.
Okay.
Go to the C drive, Jenkins folder.
Okay. Let me do that.
C drive, Jenkins folder.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
No, Jenkins last you put the cursor, sir. Select. Now type CMD. Type CMD. That's it. Press enter key. That's a simple.
Okay.
So now you give Java -jar Jenkins.var file. Just tab it automatically, you will get it. You don't need to write also. Still, it is taking so JDK 18. I don't know why, but you can do one thing. You can do one thing. So just before this, you set the path. So their set path equal to right. Set path equal to remove this. Remove this. Set space. No, all lowercase. All lowercase you do. Set space path. Lowercase, all lowercase, sir. Path equal to. Now you give the JDK path, JDK path, JDK 11 path. Go and copy the C program files. That JDK 11 path. Program files. Java, JDK. So copy that. Yeah, give this in the command prompt. After that, you run it so that Jenkins.var. Press enter key. Yeah, now you run Java -jar. Yes, press enter key. Java is not recognized as internal and external command. It should recognize. So just put a Java space minus version. Java space minus version.
We should see the version. No, Java is not recognized.
Java is not recognizing.
Probably we made a mistake when setting the path environment variables.
So set in the user variables. Go user variables also you set it. Yeah, do that same thing for a new
Java home, right?
Yeah, Java home. Variables, you just give that.
Yes.
Paste it. No, not that one, sir.
Oh,
you have to give the path.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. Click OK. Now you select the edit path variable. Path variable there. No. There on the top only.
Oh, okay, I got it.
1 minute. Hold on here. Anywhere Java is there? No, right? It's not there. Why it is recognizing that Java? Otherwise, you uninstall JDK 18, sir. That's the best option. Okay, give here Java path. So percentile.
Yeah.
Percentile. Java _ home.
Java _ home.
Percentile. // small bin. Okay. Click OK. Now go to control panel. Control panel. Yes, click on that. Programs. So programs and features. Look for JDK 8, okay, 18. So you uninstall it. Java. So look for the Java 18. So that's a top. There is a Java TM. Yeah, select that Java 18 below. Just below that, sir. Yeah. Uninstall it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe this causing the issue, like both of versions.
Yeah, continue. That's it. Now you can it will recognize. Now go close this and reopen again. Close this and reopen again.
Okay.
If not, you have to restart the system to reflect Jenkins. Go to Jenkins. Jenkins. Yeah. CMD. Yes. This is a shortcut to reach that workflow. So that's okay. Now you give Java -jar Java minus jar
So,
minus jar
yes, sir.
Jenkins.var file. Yeah, we're good. Allow access. See, copy that password. There is a password in that middle. E07, that one. Yeah, that one you copy it. So no spaces, no spaces. Spaces you are copying exactly from that line. Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure there is no spaces. Okay. Go and paste it. Go and keep it in one notepad.
Okay.
See, now Jenkins is fully up and running. Keep
Okay.
it in one notepad.
Okay. Just one second.
For new, keep it. Okay, now we are good. So
Jenkins class.
no need. You are going to change now. Okay.
Okay.
You're going to change. Go to browser, any browser.
Okay.
So type localhost 8080.
Okay. Localhost.
Localhost colon 8080.
Got it.
8080.
This is the server running on this.
Yeah, this service is running on that port. Yes. Now paste that password. Yeah, continue. This is the installation we are doing. Install suggested plugins. Let it install. It will take some time. Okay. So meanwhile, I'll just show you. You can, so in the Jenkins, you can create a job. Okay. You can run your test cases from your local machine to Jenkins. Okay.
I think it takes time, right? Let me give you.
Yeah, it takes time. It takes time. Let me show you. I'll take my control back. Let me explain that. Okay. So that it will cover our time.
Sure. Definitely.
Okay. So once you install, right? So there is a Jenkins. You will log in like this. Okay. You will log in. So once you log in, so you have to do some installations. Okay. You have to do some installations where you can do that configurations. Basically, we can say configurations.
Okay.
Go to manage Jenkins. So plugins and available plugins you can do here, but mine is already I installed. You can do. So if you go to our blog, I have given what are all the plugins you need to install. If you go here, so the installation process I have shown you very clearly here, step by step. This is the step you are now, right? You're doing this step now.
Yes.
So this step. Now after that, you will get this create username password in your own username password. Okay. Then, so this is the one. Sixth step we need to do. Log into Jenkins, then complete these things. All these plugins you go and search here. You can go and search here. Green balls. Because it's not there. Why? Because it's already installed. You can find this in my installed plugins. If you go to install plugins, you can see green balls. See, I have installed already. But for you, it will show in the available plugins. Okay. Available plugins. And you click on install without restart. You click on this. Once you search, then select install without restart.
Okay.
That like this, you complete all these installations. All this.
Okay. I think
one by one.
I am on the create admin user page, like creating registration.
Yeah, create them.
Let me create.
Now share your screen then.
Yeah.
So I'll just set it up and then you can maybe you can run it by following video. We have our videos. You can just follow that.
Okay. Password.
Yeah, give your own password. That is easy to remember.
All right. Is my screen visible?
Oh, save and finish.
Or start using Jenkins.
Ready.
Oh.
Now you are good. Okay. Now go to manage Jenkins.
And then search this.
First set the configure systems. Go to configure systems.
Mhm. Home directory.
No, come down. Come down. Look for the global properties below.
Okay.
Select the environment variable. So add, click on add, give Java home, Java underscore home, underscore home, and give the below value C program files Java JDK path. Go and copy from the your Explorer, Windows Explorer.
No, not this one.
Not this one, sir.
No, I thought it was the latest one that I.
Yeah, yeah.
Not this one. Jenkins, right? This one. C Jenkins, sir.
C program files, Java JDK 11.
Oh,
Till that JDK 11, you copy and paste it here. The entire path.
Program files. So this one, right? JDK, right? That's right. This one, right, sir?
Yeah, that's it. So save and apply.
That's right. That is
Save and apply. No. Save and apply.
save.
Now again go to manage Jenkins. There is a manage plugins. Manage plugins. Yes. So now you search here available plugins. Select available plugins. Left hand side you have navigation, all the menus, right? Yeah, that one. So select one by one. Green balls. Search green balls.
Okay.
Yeah. So select that. Install without restart.
Okay.
So done. Now again go back to that available plugins. So do the next one. What is that? Search it. HTML publisher. HTML
publisher.
HTML publisher. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
So install without restart.
Okay. What is the next one? Let me go. What was the third one, sir?
Next, you just follow the blog, sir. Just open a blog and there you can see all the different things.
Maven integration. That means
Yeah. So do that.
Maven integration. Start. And test and G results plugin. Test and G results. This one. Okay. I think all done, sir.
Done?
Yes.
Then we are good and you'll create a job. So the next step is create a job. Go to dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
Go to dashboard. and create a job or new item. So you can click on the new item or give the job name.
Okay.
Whatever you use, hybrid framework or whatever the name you want. So you can just give the job name and you have to fill some details. So what are the details you need to fill? Click on select freestyle project or Maven project, whatever you want. Yeah, click OK. This is the job creation, how to create a job.
So here from description, I guess, and then.
So you give them some description.
Okay.
But you should have your code. Maybe locally you have, but you can test case, at least one test case you have or no?
One test case?
No, you in your project, do you have one test case at least or no?
Yeah.
Oh, home page test is created? In your project, sir, hybrid framework, so did you create a one test case at least or no? I'll send otherwise one test case.
I think, hold on, let me share. Yeah, I have test cases because hold on, that's my. Oh, this Eclipse complaining about.
Okay, but just create this, I'll tell you, okay? Create this, give the description, any name.
Yeah, my Eclipse doesn't open because complaining about the version. It requires version 17 or.
Oh, that Java?
Yeah, Eclipse giving.
Okay. That is your company standard, what?
What's that?
That's your company rule, what is that?
No, it's the Java is like I cannot, it says the version number should be version 17 or greater required, it says. When I think something to do with the Java version, you know what I mean?
No, you can do one thing.
Incompatible Java virtual machine error.
So you need to download the one more Eclipse, and you can open that project in that Eclipse. Then it will be solved your problem.
I think I should downgrade the Eclipse, right?
Yeah. First finish this Jenkins job, sir. I'll tell you. Okay. First finish this.
Yeah, sure.
Later you can configure anytime this. Okay. Once a job is created, you can configure anytime.
Okay.
There's no issue in that.
Okay.
So just type some description. Okay. Okay. So then generally, so you're not using source code management. That means any GitHub you are not using now because you didn't keep the code there. So that is still, we need to work on that. So there is a build periodical option is there. Can you see there's a build triggers below, build triggers. So build periodically, that is the one generally people will use to run daily. So one time you want to run, 2 times you want to run, you can configure there. That is a cron job will be set up. So there is a 5 parameters. One is a minute, hour, which minute, which hour, which day, which month, which week you want to run. You can set up that 5 parameters. So if you want examples, you just click on the question mark and it will given examples. So not that one. Build periodically. Yeah, there you can find examples. First you have to check the checkbox. Yeah, now build a question mark you use, schedule. So you will give you examples. See below they are given examples. That examples you can use it. Below, come down. So there is example. See, every 15 minutes means you have to give h by 15 star, 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 star. Or you want every day, so every 10 minutes, that one. Or otherwise, once every 2 hours you want to run. That's or every day night. So between, so weekday, so between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. you want to run. That's the third one. You can run. You can give that a cron job pattern in that edit box, and you can run automatically. It will trigger. You don't need to worry about that. Automatically your task case will trigger and it will run and send the result to you. Okay. So okay. Now uncheck that. Uncheck that. Whenever you require, you use this parameter. Okay. Go up. Uncheck that. Uncheck that. Yeah. Come down. Come down. So next one is there is a build environment, third checkbox, add timestamp to the console. Check that. Then build steps. In the build steps, click on that. So ours is a Maven project. So you select invoke top level Maven targets. So now give here clean install. The goals you have to give clean install. No, you give, you type it. Clean install. Okay. That's it. That's a Maven command, okay? Now, so one more, click on advanced. So you have to give pom.xml path. So go to your Windows Explorer, your project workspace, and your framework, and there will be a path, right? Your root directory pom.xml path. Copy that and paste it here. Go to your workspace, where your workspace is. No need to open Eclipse. You can go to Windows Explorer also, right? Your project, your workspace, then your project.
Yes.
Yeah, that path, pom.xml path you have to give. The complete pom.xml also you have to give.
Pom, right? Pom.
Yeah, pom.xml path.
So where it is located, usually, I mean, this pom source folder.
Source, no, sir. Directory itself, no. You go to product, your project name, your project name below itself, you can find pom.xml.
Yeah, I am on the project right now.
I cannot see your screen. I can see Jenkins.
Pom.xml, right? Not pom.
Yeah, pom.xml.
Okay.
That path you have to give. Just right click on that and copy the path.
Okay. Let me just make sure. Let me share my screen. I think I was sharing different screen.
Right.
1 second. New share. Okay.
Yes, yes. Right click on the pom.xml. That's the one. Right click on the pom.xml. Pom.xml. Properties. Just copy this part and entire path.
Location,
The
right?
pom.xml also you should get. Okay, no problem. Copy the path. Yeah, copy that entire path. Otherwise, in the top also you did. Close this. That path. You copy that. Okay, go and give there, and we will add pom.xml at the end.
Okay.
Jenkins, where is the Jenkins? That one. Yeah, not this one. You open multiple. That's what the confusion. You have to keep always one.
Yeah, I have 1,000.
Yeah, one one browser you have to keep for all other open on multiple tabs there itself, so that it's easy to navigate.
Okay, we are
Yeah.
here.
So paste it form below that box. Just give // form.xml, you write form.xml. That's it. Save and apply. So what you need to do here is once you can configure again. If you want to make changes, you can go configure and you can do that. But once you add your test cases, then only you can click on build now. Then it will run. Okay. You should have a test cases. Then only it will run. Otherwise, it won't run. Did you add test cases or no?
No.
Now, once you add, then you come here and you click on build now. There is a build now, right? Can you see build now?
Yes, sir. Yes, here.
That you click on this. Click on this now. If there is no harm, just click on that. If test case is not there, just it will say no test cases. Click on that 2 times you press it. That's why 2 builds, 1 build in queue, 1 build is running. No problem. Keep it. No problem. Go to this one. First one. First one is completed. Failed. First one is completed. How can you see that? Failures. Go to the console output. There is a console output. So you can see what is the reason for failure. There is no test cases. That is the reason. You can go and see below the reason also, it will be there. Scroll down and you can find out the reasons. Come down, down. So you can see the reason why it is failing. Test set failed exception, because you didn't set up the test cases, right? That's why. 0 runs, 0 failures. So once you set up everything, your test cases, and put the your testng.xml in the testng.xml in form.xml, then it will run here. Otherwise, it won't run. Okay.
Okay.
That I already shown you how to place the testng.xml in the form.xml. We ran through form.xml. That step you have to finish. Then you can come here and you can run it.
Okay. Once I'm done with that, come and go to build, right? Build.
No, job name you have to go. Click on JAWS testing. That's a job name.
Yeah, got it. And then from here,
click on build now.
Build now, and then
you go to console output to see that.
Okay.
Every time you click on build now, it will keep running.
Okay, sir. I got it.
Oh. That's how to run in Jenkins. Jenkins is a basically CI/CD tool, which helps you to run your test cases from your local machine or from GitHub. It will you have to configure GitHub to Jenkins also. There is a Git option in the job. There are job parameters. Go to configure and you can see job parameter. Configure. In the job parameters, there is a Git option. Can you see Git option below? Source code management.
GitHub.
Source code management section. Yeah, that's you have to give this GitHub URL. And you have to give your GitHub credentials. You have to map that. Then it will take from the GitHub. Otherwise, it won't take.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So that is what. So the complete point. But you have to. Now we need to do one more. How to push your code to GitHub. That is pending. So we'll do that. Then we'll start a API testing. So otherwise, I'll start API testing now. Okay. You want to take a break and come back?
Yeah, we can take a break and then start with the API testing, sir.
Okay, fine then. Perfect.
Okay.